Hi, I'm Ken Rockwell with KenRockwell.com here at KenRockwell.tv. I just got my OM system, OM-1. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. A full review will be up at my website, KenRockwell.com, with the link in my description. But just for today, let's see what arrived in the box. Notice it doesn't say Olympus anywhere. Olympus, I should say, OM Digital Solutions is now the company formerly known as Olympus, which is in charge of all this today. Okay, here's all the fine print for you folks that like to look at the fine print. Zoom in. I love my Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max. I shoot all my video with it as I'm shooting this video. It's made in Vietnam. Okay, assorted radio frequency goodies for you guys. Blah, 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 blah. Good. They actually put the serial number on the box so you can make sure you got one that matches. Here's the SKUs. This is a black camera. Anything else interesting? Not really. Oh, manufacturing date. I got a Christmas camera made over the holidays. I can't believe people are working over the holidays. Okay. Optional. Optional HLD10. I have no idea what that is. Can we zoom in here? Love my iPhone. HLD10. Oh, that's a grip. Okay. Thanks for letting us know. Let's take a look in the box, see what we got. What are we going to get? What fun. Almost a little like a Leica. We've got here assorted cables. I never open these. I just store them for later. Okay. USB-C to USB-C cord. Not like any of us has that. Okay. Warranty. It says warranty card, but it's actually a booklet. And it's serialized. So hopefully everything should match when you get these from a legitimate dealer. It's got a bunch of different languages here. I will skip that. Whoa. Manual. You know why it's so fat? It's maybe a centimeter thick, maybe a third of an inch thick here. It has got a lot of languages. English, Francais, Espanol, Deutsch, so forth. Look at this. All the European languages. Gotta love that. Russian, Slovenian, Swedish. Romania. Okay. Anyway, that means each section won't have that much. Let's see. How much do we get in English? Here's the English section, so it's only a few pages. I'm going to assume that everything is really online. Look at all that. Just the basics, ma'am. Just like I like it. And then we're off into Francais. Okay. Bon. Oh, look at this. It's a little cradle. It's a little cradle for the camera, like the baby Jesus. How cool is that? Okay, these are polypropylene inserts. This is a fuzzy, it's like a little black blanket here. Oh, that's why it's fuzzy. It's in bubble wrap. Oh, hey, this camera still says Olympus, which is cool, because if I have an OM-1, you better believe I want it to say Olympus on it. This is nice. Oh, it feels like metal on the top. A little closer there. Love my iPhone zoom. Feels like metal on the bottom. Rubbery grip. It's a little thing, though. Well, it's not that little, though. Again, this is not a review. Watch KenRockwell.com for that. I'm just taking a quick look and seeing what we get in our box. Seeing various certifications and so forth. Now, it's OM Digital Solutions Corporation, not Olympus. Little switches, big finder. This is nice. Oh, that's not good, though. Yeah, it's sort of spring-loaded. Actually, oh, it's sealed. I see a rubber gasket there. That's good. But, okay, well, it pops open now. Oh, well, okay, this is just for the battery. And since the battery, I'm going to assume, will charge in camera, you probably never need to open this until you change your battery out 5 years from today. Oh, does the card go in here? No, there's the battery. Okay, it doesn't automatically latch. You've got to push that to latch it. So that's a little primitive. What have we got here? Looks like a good car door. Beautiful. And it's got storage 4, push to eject, 2 SD cards it looks like. Again, look at my review. This is nice. I love these because these are easy to open. They pop right open, and it locks instantly. No thought required. It's never going to open by accident. This is a well-designed car door, and that's important. We've got, looks like for the remote control, which is, looks like a 2.5 millimeter. Again, see the review. This is just a quick seeing what we get in the box. We haven't even opened the rest of the box. Sort of controls, power control. Here's some more connectors. Microphone, probably not an XLR. What is it? 3.5 millimeters. Headphones, 3.5 millimeters. HDMI, USB. Yep, little HDMI, USB-C. What's always cute is the little baby sensors. Oh, look at that. That sensor's all flopping around in there. So it's a stabilized sensor. That's good. A couple of buttons. Yeah, I'm looking forward to reviewing this camera. But let's see what else we get in our box. A little box of accessories. Okay, we've got a little box of accessories. What do we get? We've got, oh, God bless OM Digital Systems. It's a little baby flash. It's a little, look at this little thing. It's a cute little baby flash. I love this. Now, you guys can make all the fun of this little baby flash that you want. Oh, a beautiful switch. Boom, boom, boom. Flash is so important. Number one, flash is really important for fill flash to put a little catch light in people's eyes when you take their picture. And number two, for me in the studio, I'm going to use this to trigger my studio strobes in manual mode. You don't need a big flash for that. You just need a little baby one, and you're good to go. So God bless them. I almost wasn't going to open that. I thought it was like a strap. Okay, what is this? This looks like a bandana. Okay. I will call this a sack. Sack says Olympus on it. Good. Okay, here's a... Oh, battery's not that little. This is nice. What is it? Made in the summer. 17 watt hours. Where's the battery made? Packed in China. Cells in Japan. Packed in China. Packed, I assume, meaning turned into a battery system. A cell, as you know, is one component of a battery. A battery consists of at least 2 cells. This looks like a generic, okay, USB-C power adapter. How generous of them. Power supply, universal voltage worldwide, 9 volts, 3 amperes, 9 times 3, 27 watts. Okay, it's a 27-watt power adapter, which is actually excellent. And actually, the perfect size power adapter to charge my iPhone as well. So you can bring just one power adapter and you're good to go. When it comes to travel, this does not fold. We get a little strap. How nice of them. Last but not least, we've got a couple little goodies here. What did we get? Is it cable strain relief? This ensures that you pull on the cable instead of breaking the cable off or breaking the connector off, you pull the entire camera off onto the ground. This looks like some kind of bizarre cable adapter. I don't know. Again, this is not the review. I have not read the instructions. This is just what's coming out of the box. And that's it. That's what we get with our Olympus OM system, OM-1. Thanks for watching KenRockwell.com, KenRockwell.tv, where the full review will go up, and just look in my comment section. Thank you very much.